Can you pay cash on a DoorDash delivery, whether you're asking as a customer or as a delivery driver? The answer is yes, but it's rare. So whether you want to know if you can use this or how to use this as a customer or how this would actually work if you're a DoorDash driver and you've never done it before, carrying cash on you as a delivery driver can be, I don't want to say risky, but we'll just say it's something you have to deal with. It's something extra. It's a big hassle. But if you want to know how it works and you're considering enabling this option in your Dash, then keep watching. And if you're a customer wanting to know if you can pay cash, well, just watch. As a DoorDash driver, the Dash on Delivery option is disabled by default. You can enable it if you'd like by going into your account settings under Dash Preferences. But even if you have it disabled, there's a possibility you could get a cash on delivery offer. You'll get an offer as usual, and you'll either accept or decline that offer. Then, if you accept the offer, it's going to tell you that it's a cash on delivery offer to see if you agree. You can either hit continue to do it, or you can hit decline, and it offers you the option to decline without penalty. I always assumed that cash on delivery meant I don't know what the tip is whenever I decide to accept or decline the offer. But that's not the case. The customer fills the order out like always, where it shows them their total, and then it asks them for a tip amount, and then it asks them for payment information. And instead of entering a card number, they enter cash on delivery. Now, if they don't enter a tip like some other customers, you're probably not going to accept the offer because it's going to be low dollar. Just because it's a cash on delivery, don't assume it's going to have that extra cash tip at the end. You're just as likely to get a tip on a cash on delivery as you are as a hand it to me order. Just because you're going to meet the customer doesn't mean they're going to give you extra. Well, at least I assume so. I assume that it would weed out, because if you're not given a tip up front, you wouldn't accept the offer. But I don't have cash on delivery enabled. I don't want the dangers of carrying cash. Do you have it enabled? Do you have it enabled? And if you do you notice that you get cash tips more? But if you opt up for cash on delivery and you want to know how it works, basically you turn it on in your settings under Dash Preferences, and then you just look for cash on deliveries orders like any other order that only says you'll get paid in cash when you drop them off. You get paid the minute you delivered the order. Once you collect payment, you're done. Keep 100% of the cash, including the cash and tips. The money you collect is yours to keep, and the order will automatically be deducted from your next direct deposit. You can check your weekly earnings breakdown to see any cash amounts deducted. Any and all tips are yours to keep and won't be subtracted from your earnings balance. Do you need to carry change, though? Well, customers are actually asked to have the exact change tip ready to ensure a quick and easy drop-off experience. In case they don't have the exact amount, DoorDash recommends carrying $10 to $15 in small bills. What should you do if you encounter an issue collecting a cash payment? Well, if you do, tap Issue Collecting Cash Payment in the Dasher app and then select one of the options. Customer is short on cash, doesn't have any change, customer unavailable, or refuse to pay. In those scenarios, do not collect cash from the customer. DoorDash will provide a base pay from the order and your completion rate won't be affected. Discard the order. If the customer was short on cash, unavailable, or refused to pay, you may deliver the order to the customer. If the issue is I do not have enough change, remember you'll still need to receive your base pay in order and your completion rate won't be affected. If the customer has a question, direct them to contact DoorDash support.